This is 11 Kurrajong Road. It is a corner block with lots of extras on the corner of Kurrajong and Coombah. It has a septic system installed. They're new, hasn't been used. It's an AES system. It also has power and water connected, and there is building and plumbing approval for a 1-bedroom container home and a big garage. So basically it has been surveyed, it has a soil test, it's ready to be built on straight away, or a temporary home permit can be achieved and can be lived on while construction is happening. That's subject to the council application for the temporary home permit. Quite a good area. New houses in the area. Fairly quiet. About halfway down the island. Yeah, so you get a whole lot of extras with this one. And the AES system is a system that doesn't need servicing either. There's no mechanical or electrical parts. If you're interested to learn more, contact Kat from Redlands Coast Realty, and I'm happy to pick you up from the ferry, from the passenger ferry, the 50-cent ferry. See you on the island.